This video features a female presenter on a white background. A date on a calendar is circled. Words appear. Your quit plan.
If you're looking to quit smoking, making a quit plan can improve your chances.
Words appear. What is a quit plan?
But what is a quit plan?
A circular logo appears containing the text 7 steps.
Basically, it's a set of steps you can use to prepare your next quit attempt. A quit plan will help you think through challenges and how to overcome them. And if you've tried to quit before, you can use what you've learned in the past to help make this quit attempt successful.
Words appear. How do you make a quit plan?
So, how do you make one? Let's walk through some of the key steps together.
A circular logo appears containing the word START.
First, list your reasons for wanting to quit smoking.
A circular logo appears containing a piece of paper with lines on it and a pencil. Words appear. 1. Clearly state your reasons for quitting. This is followed by 2 circular logos, one containing a heart with an EKG line through it, and the other illustrating 2 adults and a child.
Is it for your health? Your family? Being reminded of your reasons can help keep you motivated. Also, think about any concerns you might have and how you can deal with them.
Words appear. 2. Identify your concerns and how to deal with them.
Let's say you're afraid it'll be hard. You could plan to ask someone you trust for support. Concerned about withdrawal symptoms?
A circular logo containing a telephone.
You might plan to call your doctor, or maybe the quit line.
A circular logo appears containing a bullseye with arrows pointing to the center. Words appear. 3. Identify your triggers.
Next, identify your personal triggers. Is it stress? Seeing others smoke? Your coffee break? Understanding where and in what situations you smoke will help you prepare.
A circular logo appears containing a clipboard with a checklist. Words appear. 4. Plan your response to cravings.
When a craving hits, it will be easier to resist if you have a strategy in place for what to do instead.
The logo changes to a walking stick figure.
Some people go for a walk, others might grab a healthy snack.
A circular logo appears containing an apple. Words appear. Nicotine replacement therapy and medications can reduce cravings.
Nicotine replacement therapy and other medications can help reduce the frequency and severity of cravings.
Words appear. 5. Decide your overall approach.
And of course, you'll need to decide how you want to quit.
2 circular logos appear, one containing a wrench and screwdriver, and the other a pair of shaking hands.
Combining the right tools and support can give you the best chance of success. If you've tried quitting before, what helped? What didn't? What could you do differently?
2 circular logos appear, one containing a clock and the other a stop sign.
Will you cut down over time or stop smoking all at once? Will you do it on your own or get support from friends, family, or an app? Will you use approved quit aids such as prescription medication, nicotine patches, or gum?
Words appear. 6. Choose your tools and forms of support.
Connecting with a quit coach. And finally, pick a date to quit.
A circular logo containing a calendar appears. Words appear. 7. Set a date to quit.
Give yourself enough time to prepare, but don't put it off. Those are the basics of a quit plan.
2 circular logos appear on screen, one containing a paper with lines and a pencil, and the other a laptop.
You can create your own or visit our Quit Plan tool to make your plan online. Having a plan can help you resist cravings, overcome challenges, and stay motivated. And remember, you can do this.
Words appear. Make your plan at canada.ca/quit-smoking. A message from the Government of Canada.